Okay, good morning again, class. So, before we start, let me first introduce myself. I am teacher Cruz Mary Andy, and I will be your teacher for this afternoon or for this morning, okay? Before we start our classes, let us first have our prayer, okay? Let's bow our head and put the presence of the God. Dear Heavenly Father, as we gather here today, we invite your presence into this classroom. Lord, bless each and every student here as well as our teacher as we embark on another day of learning. Please give us clear minds and open hearts so we can grasp the knowledge and lessons set before us. Amen. So, so I have here the motivation, which is the topic one word. So, di ba, what can you see about these two pictures? There is a fob and there's also a bricks. So, what can you say about these two pictures? Di ba, it's when we combine it together, it's fabrics. So in our motivation, I hope we can now have the knowledge on what lesson we are about to start, or what the topic of our lesson that we are about to start. So our lesson for today is all about the fabrics. So fabrics, what do you think the fabrics is? The fabric is a thing that we need in our life, because this fabrics is not only making a clothes, making a uniform, making something like mga bags, 'di ba? It's sa fabrics is marami talaga tayong magagawa. Okay, let's proceed. So abstractions, type of fabrics: chiffon, cotton, crepe, denim, leather, linen, satin, silk, and synthetics. So later on, we will know what kind of fabrics is the chiffon, cotton, so on and so forth. So let's move on to our topic. So chiffons. So chiffon is a sheer, lightweight, plain woven fabrics made from twisted yarn that give it a slightly wrought feel. So, di ba, as you can see the pictures, the fabric itself is para siyang madulas, para siyang silky, or di ba napakanipis niya, like parang kung hahawakan mo siya, alam mo yung yung tela na sobrang lambot niya, ganon. So yan yung chiffons. The yarn is usually made of silk, nylon, polyester, or rayon, 'di ba? As I said earlier, para siyang silk. So it because the fabric chiffon itself is made of the yarn that is usually silk and nylon, so polyester or rayon. So 'di ba parang kung makikita pa lang natin siya, parang maano na natin, ay etong fabrics na to is made from nylon or made from silk something, kasi 'di ba yung as the fabric itself or the chiffon is itself is ma-identify mo agad kung anong klaseng tela ba ito, especially kapag magpapagawa tayo ng mga kunyari curtain something ganyan, 'di ba? Mas kailangan natin is malaman kung anong tela ba or anong fabrics yung dapat para sa ipapagawa natin na bagay, 'di ba? So, okay, again, the chiffon is a sheer, lightweight, plain woven fabric made by twisted yarn. So, the yarn is usually made of silk, nylon, polyester, or rayon. Okay? Next one is the cotton. Cotton known as the most popular material in the world. Cotton is a light, soft, natural fabrics. The fluffy fiber extracted from the seeds of the cotton plant in a process called ginning or gining, something like that. The fiber is the spun into cloth where it can be woven or knit. So this one is cotton, 'di ba? Kung may ano siya, nakakita na ba kayo yung puno, tas may bunga siya na, tas yung bunga niya is pwede natin gawing panggatong, 'di ba? yung bunga niya na yun is may laman yun siya, which is itong cotton na to. So this cotton is this cotton is very known to in making a clothes. Now, sorry, I mistaken. Not yung ano siya. What is this? What we call this? Yung yung the people using in the north, yung ano siya, yung jacket siya, which is the cold jacket, yung parang ano siya. So this cotton is used in that jacket, or especially sa una namin may ganyan kami. So parang may unan kami na ganito yung ginamit ni mama, na which is yung cotton na kinuha doon sa puno. So this cotton is made by natural fabric. So soft natural fabric. So why it is soft natural fabric? It because the cotton itself, it is very smooth of if ever when mahawakan mo siya, is soft, tas is smooth, tas it's made from natural resources, diba? Like I've said earlier, it is eco-friendly because this cotton itself made from natural fabrics, 'di ba? Like I've said earlier, kinukuha siya dun sa puno na may bunga na cotton. So although na minsan siguro hindi na siya known as the very one thing na ginagawa, but most of the people or mga oldest people is ito talaga ang ginagamit. So meron pa nga is nagtatanim talaga sila ng ganitong puno para lang makakuha sila ng bunga ng cotton. It's not a cotton like, I'm not saying na cotton siya yung ginagamit natin mga cotton buds. No, it's not that one, ha. Yung cotton na ito is para lang to sa mga blanket natin, sa mga sa pillow, sa mga yung jacket, yung pang cold weather. So ito yung ginagamit nila. Gets lang po ba? Next is the crepe. So crepe is a lightweight, twisted plain woven fabric with a rough, bumpy surface that doesn't wrinkle. So it often made from cotton, silk, wool, or synthetic fiber, making it versatile fabric. So this one crepes naman, it is a lightweight twisted, because if mahawakan mo itong fabric na ito is silk talaga siya, made from silk siya kasi madulas. Soft siya pag hawakan mo, tas madulas, tas kahit ikusot-kusot mo siya, hindi siya makukumot ng ganun, kasi it's made from silk and synthetic, or it's made from silk, wool, and synthetic fiber. So hindi siya malulukot ng ganun kasi bumabalik lang siya ulit sa dati niyang anyo. So this is the very common thing that yung sa mga nakikita niyo, yung mga 90s, yung terno na for night na ginagamit natin, yung mga pajamas, ganun. So marami kayong makikita na ganito yung tela ang ginagamit, lalong-lalo na sa mga 90s, yung mga pajamas for sleep. So this one is the best thing na ginagamit nila kasi hindi siya ganun kainit, and hindi siya yung parang like yung cotton, pag ginagamit natin yung damit natin na cotton is medyo parang feeling natin makati-kati. So itong crepe na to is hindi siya ganun kainit, hindi siya makati, and parang ano lang siya, soft lang siya sa katawan pag ginagamit. Okay, gets lang po ba? Next is the denim. So denim, another type of fabric is denim. Denim is a woven cotton twill fabric made from an white cotton wrap yarn and white cotton stuffing yarn. So this denim is made from yarn and white cotton wrap yarn and white cotton stuffing yarn. So 'di ba, all of us naman very known naman kung ano yung denim, 'di ba? Ito yung mga minsan nga may yung mga jacket natin is denim, yung mga pants natin, 'di ba? Denim talaga yung ginagamit natin most of the time. Is ito talaga yung very known, lalong-lalo na nung 90s ganun. So denim is the very common fabrics that we have here when we are grow up. So denim is the very known because dati pa lang is ginagamit na talaga siya. It's not only for making a pants, making jackets, and so on and so forth. But this denim is also used for making some bags or sometimes nga ginagamit pa nila ito pang designs, 'di ba? So mas makikita natin yung mga denim ngayon is may mga yung mga may designs siya. Sometimes nga makikita na lang natin is ginawa na pala siyang bags. Meron din ipinang cover na nila dun sa mga parang ginagawa na nilang case ng mga pillow, something ng mga yung mga kotse, 'di ba? Pag makita nila natin yung ibang upuan ng kotse is denim na yung ginagamit nila kasi this one is the very popular and known fabric in our country. Okay, next is the lace. Lace is an elegant, delicate fabric made from loop, twisted or knitted yarn or thread. It was originally made from silk and linen, but lace is now made with cotton thread, wool or synthetic. So, dati or in the past years, this lace is originally made from the silk and linen, but most of the time, 'di ba, the year is changing, the trends is changing, all of the things is changing. So that's why the lace itself is also changing. Instead of making silk and linen, the lace now is mostly or commonly made of cotton threads and wool na or something or sometimes synthetic fiber. So saan ba natin makikita yung lace, yung mga lace na ito? So sa anong gamit natin makikita ang mga lace na ito? So it's not the very known lace na makikita natin is sa mga gowns, especially when it comes in the wedding gowns, mga ball gowns. So lace is the very popular fabrics that they are using, 'di ba nga, especially yung mga sa fashion show, 'di ba there are more on attached in their gowns is the lace. So lace is the very common and popular things or fabrics that we have also in our country, not only in the Philippines but also in another country. Did you get it? Okay. Next one is leather. Leather is a unique type of fabric in that it is made from animal hides or skin including cows, crocodiles, pigs, and lambs. So, 'di ba? The leather is the very common one na is yung na pangmatagalan or kaya 'di ba mas marami na ngayon yung mga leather is nasa luxury box na siya, luxury box, because leather is the one thing na hindi siya madali masira, and mostly ito talaga yung ginagamit for making a box. So yung this leather is mostly came from the animals skin, like I've said earlier, cows, crocodiles, pigs, and lambs. So 'di ba minsan sometimes nga if ever na we need to do some things na we need to use a leather, 'di ba? We really need to find it in the fabric shop, 'di ba? Sometimes hindi talaga siya ganun hindi siya mahirap siya hanapin, and the price itself is very pricey. So kasi nga leather siya, hindi siya madali ganun matanggal, hindi siya ganun kadali masira, and hindi siya ganun kadali ma-fade, because pwede rin siguro sometimes kasi may mga leathers na ngayon is hindi original, but depending on the animal used, leather will require different treatment techniques, 'di ba? So sometimes kasi yung akala natin leather siya, yun pala mukhang leather lang, 'di ba? Hindi naman pala siya totoong leather. So Leather is known for being durable, wrinkle resistant, and stylish. So, di ba? Like I've said earlier, mas commonly makikita natin yung mga leather ngayon is pricey talaga siya. Nandun sa taas yung price niya na which is sometimes nga mas okay na lang. Ay, eto na lang ako sa medyo mura-mura lang which is na-afford ko pa. Kaysa dito sa leather na minsan din naman hindi ko naman siya ma-afford if kahit pa sabihin natin, di ba, pang matagalan. So, hindi mo pa rin siya ma-afford. Kasi kahit nga wallet ngayon, yung last time nakita ko wallet na leather siya is, nandun siya, yung price niya is nasa 1,000 pataas. Di ba, mas afford ko na yung kahit yung cheapest, di ba? Okay na yun. Okay, di ba? Did you understand? Okay, again, the leather is depending on the animal use. Leather will require different treatments and techniques. And also, leather is known for being durable, wrinkle resistant, and stylish. Okay, next is the linen. Linen, which is one of the oldest materials known to humankind. Made from natural fibers, this strong lightweight fabrics comes from the flax plants which is stronger than the cotton. So this one is the eco-friendly din siya kasi it's made from the natural fibers. It's maybe made from, ayun, naka-indicate dito is from the flax plants. So may mga plants talaga na pwede natin gawin siyang fabrics which is the like the linen. So 'di ba sometimes we can see this linen fabrics is into our bed sheets, our sometimes our clothes, but most of the time is sa bed sheet talaga siya makikita kasi ano siya, ano ba yan, mas stronger siya than the cotton. So parang 'di ba hindi siya madali masira ganun. And also it's not that ano ba tong tawag dito? Hindi siya ganun kabigat pag huhugasan na. Yun. So, okay lang. Gets lang po ba? Next is satin. Unlike most of the fabrics on the list, satin is made from fiber. It is actually one of the three major textile whips and is made when every strand is well knitted. Satin was originally made from silk and is now made from polyester, wool, and cotton. So, yung satin is made from silk. So, parang may different siya doon sa last natin is yung crepe. So, parang kung differentiate nyo siya, parang may pagka-different siya. Yung ibahan lang doon, yung crepe is madulas talaga siya. Para siyang silk which is this one satin namin, hindi siya ganun ka silk or hindi siya ganun ka dulas, nandun lang siya sa, siguro sa, parang nasa medium or from the middle lang siya doon sa crepe and, doon sa crepe. So, hindi siya ganun ka pero most of the time kasi ginagamit yung satin is to make something yung mga pillowcase, something like that, 'di ba? Yung minsan nga ginagamit pa ito pang palda ng mga students yung sa elementary, ganun. So, silk. Silk as known as the world's most luxurious natural fabric. Silk, another soft, elegant fabric choice with a smooth touch and shimmering look. Silk comes from the silkworm, cocoon, which are found in China, South Asia, and Europe. So, this silk is made daw from the silkworms na makikita natin sa ibang country. So, wala siya dito sa country natin. So, parang nagagawa siya doon talaga sa ibang country kung saan makakahanap tayo ng silkworm cocoon. So, di ba from the word itself, silk, luxurious natural fabrics. So, parang sa from the word itself pa lang, masasabi na natin, ay etong fabrics na to mahal to, ay etong fabrics na to is maganda to. So, di ba kasi from the word itself na luxurious fabric, silk, di ba parang maiisip mo kaagad na nandun siya sa pricey na prices when it comes sa mga fabric. And isa din siya dun sa magagandang fabrics na makikita natin sa iba't ibang fabrics, di ba? Okay, next one is synthetics. I think this is the last one, okay? Synthetics, unlike the other fabrics listed here, synthetics actually covers several fabric types: nylon, polyester, and spandex. Synthetics don't shrink unlike delicate fabrics and are usually resistant to water-based stain. So yung ano daw, yung synthetics daw is water resistance and stain. So if ever siguro kapag matatapunan tayo ng water or kaya coffee, ganun. So 'di ba hindi siya agad-agad hindi niya agad-agad batong tawag dito. Hindi niya agad-agad maano yung mancha ng coffee kasi it is a water resistance. It because this synthetic fabrics is made from a polyester. So, 'di ba, parang madulas siya or hindi siya agad-agad nag-a-adapt ng dirt sa fabrics na ito. So I think this fabrics is good for good siya for ba yan, mga pillowcase ganun, di ba? So I think that's all about my report. Okay, thank you for listening, class. I hope you have gained some knowledge from my reports. That's all, and thank